SharePoint 2013 has done a lot of improvements to the basic capabilities of out-of-the-box search. Here you can see that there is a basic search page, and if I type in marketing or markets, it will do an auto find or auto suggestions for terms that I have searched previously. If this was a brand new search and I've never searched any terms in SharePoint before, then this would not populate any kind of suggestions for me. But since I have searched by this term right here, and I've also clicked on these links in my search results page, you'll see these, what they're called refines. They're links to documents and items that I've clicked on before in my search results page. Say I want to go ahead and do a search on market. Here you will see the search results page. Right below the search box, you'll see different filters for me to filter by class. The generic ones are everything, people, conversations, and videos. Right now, by default, you'll see that my search results are generating everything, which includes documents, web pages, different sites, things like that. One of the great things with SharePoint 2013 is all of the basic capabilities of fast search are now offered out of the box. So here you can see a active preview in the hover panel of this document. This preview is generated by Office Web Apps, so this is what's generating this preview of the Word document right here. Here you can see the document, the title of the document, what are called deep links and different metadata. So these hyperlinks right here will take me to a specific location within that document if I were to click on it. And then also you see who recently changed this document, and then I have a list of actions down here. So here you can see on the search results page, I can do an active preview of this PowerPoint, and this live preview of the document is powered by Office Web Apps, and I can easily click through the slides to get a preview without ever having to actually open the document. And I also have these deep links right here where if I were to click on one of these, it would take me directly to one of those slides. And as you saw previously, I also have these action bars right here, or these action links, so I can edit, follow, send, or view the actual library to that document. Or I can view the library where this document resides in if I clicked on View Library right here. I don't know which one I was clicking on, but here you can see a search results item for community sites, and it gives me a high-level summary of the number of members that are currently in that community site, also discussions and replies, so I can see how active that community site really is. And I'll go into the demo a little bit later, but community sites are used to facilitate different discussions, and there's been a lot of advancements with the community portal in SharePoint 2013. On the left, I can refine my search by these different filters. So here you see result type. I can filter by just Excel, so I only see the Excel documents here, and I get a live preview for these Excel documents as well. You'll see it's loading, and I can click through the different worksheets or different tables. And if I wanted to go back to all my results, I would just go back to all. And then here you see I can filter by author. And if I don't see the author right here, I can easily just go to show more and type in the user's name that I would like to filter by. And I would just click her name right here, and it would refine my search results to the documents and items that she has authored, or in this case, replied to from probably a newsfeed post or discussion. Go back to all results right here. Here there's also a filter for SharePoint content types, so I can do discussions, wiki pages, reports, messages. I can also filter by task, press release, and a few other items. This search results page can be completely customized to whatever your organization needs, so these are not set filters. This is just what was created for this demo. Up here, you might have already noticed these filters by class. This is a new feature in SharePoint 2013. By default, you see search results for everything, but I can also narrow by people and do a people search without having to leave this search results page. You can see the refiners on the left changed specific to this people search, and I also still have a live preview if I were to hover my mouse over one of these items of the user's profile. So this is easier for me within the organization to find maybe subject matter experts on someone in marketing or anything that I'm working on. So here you can see a list of past projects that Janet has participated in, maybe some of her interests, schools, members, a few documents that she has authored in the past. These hover panels can be completely customized depending on what it is that you need. So if you don't need interests, maybe you want past job experiences or organizations that they are a part of besides member from SharePoint, then you can maybe add those topics in here as well. Here you can see, like I said before, these filters or these refiners are custom for people search. So I can filter by sales and marketing department if I wanted to, and I can see the list of people that are part of the marketing department right here. This class type filters to conversations, so this will show me posts on newsfeed items or discussion boards and community sites. And you can see here if I hover my mouse over one of these items, a quick preview like I showed before of the community site if this is a community item, with a quick summary of how many members are currently in this community site, discussions and replies. I can also see some items that were on a team site's newsfeed or maybe someone's personal newsfeed. And these results are security trimmed, so if I don't have permission to a community site or team site, I will not see any of these search results items. Here you can see thumbnail images to generate my search results for videos. If I click on the ellipses right here, I can see the video in the hover panel, so I won't have to actually go to the page with this video. I can just view it right here to see if this is what I'm looking for. And I can also send this video to someone else within SharePoint or maybe an external user, and I can also just easily click view here.